How prepayments work. Some of your clients want to pay before you've even sent an invoice. Maybe it's a retainer client who likes to keep a balance on file, or a new client who wants to lock in your services before tax season kicks off. TaxDome's prepayment feature makes that easy. Clients can pay into a credit balance on their own, and then you and your client can apply this credit to an issued invoice. Less chasing, less back and forth. Before you turn this on, a quick check. TaxDome payment needs to be connected and a payment method should be chosen. You can select both if you would like to. Now you can turn prepayment on and you're done on the firm side. Now here's what your client sees. When they log into their portal, they'll notice a Make Prepayment link right on their dashboard. They enter an amount, whatever they'd like to put on account, and complete the payment. That amount lands immediately as a credit in their account. You can see it reflected on their profile too. When you issue an invoice later, you can choose to apply the available credit. So if a client prepaid $500 and your invoice is $300, the balance is already covered the moment the invoice is issued. If the invoice is larger than their credit, the client just pays the difference. No confusion, no duplicate payments. You can also use this same system to collect deposits when sending proposals. If you're onboarding a new client and want a deposit before work begins, add a deposit requirement to the proposal and set the amount. When the client signs and pays the deposit, it goes straight into their credit balance, ready to apply against future invoices. Prepayments work best when they're part of how you onboard clients or manage ongoing relationships. Once it's turned on, the whole thing runs quietly in the background. Clients pay when they're ready, and your invoices clear the moment you send them.